This is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner. So I got some happy mail from Aura Estelle. I'm so excited about this. This is really nice. Look at Planner Community. Aura Estelle, hashtag Aura Estelle. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Aura Estelle. And look at the inside. Isn't that nice? This is Aura Estelle. Make time for what makes your soul shine. See? Make time for what makes your soul shine. Okay. And this is the inside. Here goes a stapler that says thank you. And then here's this. And she packaged this really well. This is my first Aura Estelle item. I'm excited about it. Okay, so I got the stapler. I got a stapler, which is so cute. And then I got this. Now look at that. Isn't that pretty? Aura Estelle. And look at that Aura Estelle bow bag. It's a pretty bag. Let's see. And then here's this. Wow. This is really nice. I'm going to take this little plastic off. And it says Aura Estelle in gold. See? Aura Estelle. This is really soft. This is the pink. And then she put this in there to keep the shape. Let me take this out. I'm liking this. Look, it's got the places for your traveler's notebook journal. If you want to put a notebook in there, take that out. It's got pockets right there. It's got a pin loop. So let me see what pin will fit in here. Oh, look it. That fits good. That's nice. It's got two pin loops in here, it looks like. 2 pockets. 4 strings, so you could put 4 books or even more than 4. You got your notebook and it says Aura Estelle right there. And if you could tell right here, it has a cup and it says AJ, my initials, and it has a cup and it's in rose gold foiling. It's got the pockets where you could put your cards or business cards, and here's 2 more pockets. This is really nice. I'm gonna fill this up good, and you could, this is wide, so you could do a lot with this. This is really nice. It's so soft. I'm gonna make good use of this. So I'm gonna get, this is a size B6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me some inserts to put in here. I'm going to get some inserts to put here too. I'm just really excited about this. This is really nice. So stay tuned to future videos. You'll see how I get this set up. I'll post it on my Instagram, on my IG. This was a quick review of this, but I just wanted to share this. This is one happy mail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I go live or whenever I upload a video. Stay positive. Thank you for watching. And I love you all. Bye-bye.